subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro back in February this year, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same series in China called Mi 10 Youth Edition with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition supports a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 180Hz touch sampling rate, and on the top, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. The device packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64, 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Mi 10 Youth Edition features quad camera setup in a squarish module on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus another 8MP telephoto lens with up to 50x periscope zoom and a 2MP macro lens. The quad rear cameras are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front, there is 16MP selfie camera under the notch. The handset runs on Android 10 based on MIUI 11 skin out of the box. The phone comes equipped by 4160 mAh battery with 22.5 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an optical in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also supports 3-dimensional liquid cooling system that reduces the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual-band 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, infrared port, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.02 by 74.77 by 7mm and it weighs around 192 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition has been priced in China for 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at 2099 Chinese yuan. For 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 2299 Chinese yuan. For 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2499 Chinese yuan. And the top end variant with 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2799 Chinese yuan. All these smartphone variants are available for pre-orders in the country in deep space grey, blue-green gradient, orange, green and pink-white gradient color options. And it will go on sale starting from April 30. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.